Hey guys, this is Cam over at Derale Cooling Products with another tech tip for you today. We're going to be covering our push-in thermostat probe that goes with the majority of our fan controllers. And we're going to start by taking a look at a couple questions that we've been getting on these. The first question we've been getting is what size gauge the wire is on the thermostat. It's a 22 gauge wire. You can cut wire off if you need to. You can add wire if you need to, whatever fits your application. These wires have no polarity despite being different colors. The other question we've been getting a lot on these is how the proper install works. So you're going to start by taking your probe, push it through the radiator from the engine side out toward the headlights, making sure that the base is firmly pressed against the radiator. And take your isolator pad, slide that over and put it firmly against the front of the radiator, followed by your C-clip. So you have all your material stacked, holding it in place. At that point, you can just trim off the excess probe. It's solid brass. It should cut off with a cutoff wheel or tin snips. But that would be your proper installation. As long as you follow our tech tips, you should have no issue with your Derale fan controller. If you do, give us a call at the Derale Tech Support line and we'll give you a hand. Thanks for choosing Derale.